Hey, it's Doug here, Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2000 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. This is Harley's mid-size cruiser motorcycle. Has the 1199cc V-twin engine, carbureted, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. This bike has only 19,185 miles on the odometer. This bike is mostly all stock, has new tires, front and rear. Bike is just in service. Beautiful Harley V-twin rumble. Passenger backrest. Bike is very clean and ready to ride at only $42.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.